Hello everybody, I'm Radhika and welcome to Flipkart. Today I'm reviewing the 55-inch VU 55SU134 Android 4K Smart TV. Let's explore all the important features one by one. Now this television comes with VU's professional picture quality with 4K resolution. It gives you a seamless viewing experience, be it gaming, binge watching, music videos or any other content. You can enjoy it all with utmost clarity without any distortion. It gives you true to life projection with 4 times the resolution of a regular HD TV. Now viewers, when we talk about Ultra HD, did you know it comprises 3 other different Ultra features? Yes. Let me briefly tell you how all of these 4 features come together to make your experience absolutely lifelike. Now along with Ultra HD, this TV has also taken care of Ultra Color, Ultra Contrast and Ultra Motion. With Ultra Color, watching a scene seems really real with a widened color gamut. Ultra Motion, on the other hand, progresses through the frames of your video slowly and smoothly so that you never miss out on any detail. And lastly, Ultra Contrast, along with the innovative local dimming technology, gives you that extreme darkness of night and purest light of day. So all of them combined together make your experience vivid and unmatched. Now moving on, in the race to be segments only, brands are introducing a variety of features. And VU is no different. VU has introduced what only 5% of the brands in the world are being able to give. A+ grade panel. The A+ grade pure prism panel ensures that the picture quality is absolutely detailed and does pure justice to whatever content that you're viewing without any discoloration. This VU TV also comes with a built-in Google Chromecast, which means that you don't need to buy any other separate device to sync all your other devices with the television. You can easily start your movie on your TV connected to your tablet or your phone and finish it in the cozy comforts of your bed. Let's check it out. Moving on, this television is equipped with Android Nougat 7.0. Now this offers you all the latest features, thousands of movies, TV shows, personalized recommendations and so much more to always keep you updated. And added to this television processes at lightning fast speed with minimum boot time for a smooth viewing experience. Let's explore this. Now my favorite feature, this VU Android TV also comes with a voice search enabled remote. If you're too lazy to browse and want to save time, just use the voice search and let the Android find it for you. Let's check it out. Comedy show. Wasn't that cool? Now with a screen size like this one, you can just upgrade in practically no time from a smaller screen and play your favorite Android games, feeling action at its best. As far as the color is concerned, this TV doesn't just win hearts by its output alone, but also charms its way through its body color. The glossy plastic piano black design gives it a really elegant look. This TV also has a smooth motion enhancement that enables smoother transition between one frame and another. With VU's Ultra Smooth Interpolation feature, you can select different levels of motion enhancement to suit your comfort level. Now friends, this VU TV also supports DTS sound and Dolby, which allow you to experience high quality audio effects. With all of that, it also has a built-in soundbar with a 10+10 watt output that will put you right in the middle of the action. Let's check it out. So friends, I think VU 55SU134 Android 4K Smart TV gives you an unmatched TV viewing experience and some really advanced features. And buying this on Flipkart is a deal you cannot afford to miss. Because on Flipkart, you get quick delivery, hassle-free installation, a detailed demo, and a short brand warranty. So what are you waiting for? Come join the Flipkart family now. That's all from me. Have a perfect buy.